children. How are you? I hope all are fine at home. Yes? Okay, good. Are you enjoying your holidays? Yes. By the same time, just spend few hours for your studies. Yes, children? Yes. Are you good children? Yes, you are a very, very good children. Okay, can you recognize my voice? Yes, I am your Rekha ma'am from Computer Science Department. Okay, now let me start. Tell me children, what is our school name? Yes, our school name is TMHNU Nadar Saraswati Public School. Where it is located? It's located at Vadabudupatti. Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Now let me start our lesson. Now you are in which grade, children? You are in grade 2nd. Okay, now let's see the subject, general knowledge, and the topic is about hygiene. So what is mean by hygiene? Hygiene means what? You have any idea? So hygiene means what? To stay clean. So hygiene means what? To stay clean. So hygiene is very, very important for our health. So health is important, no? Yes. Next, we move to the lesson. Okay, children, about hygiene. So, what is this good hygiene habits? So, these are the pictures that describe the hygienic habit in which you have to follow in your early age itself. Okay, the first is what? Picture, oral hygiene, and the second picture is bathing ritual, and the third is combing your hair properly, fourth is food hygiene, and the fifth is toilet hygiene, sixth picture hand hygiene, and the seventh picture is coughing and sneezing hygiene with the help of kerchief or your tissue paper. Okay, children, you will follow this hygiene good habit. Yes, you should follow this to stay clean. Okay, children. Next picture. See the first picture. What the boy is doing? Wiping my running nose. So the boy is wiping the running nose with the help of tissue paper. Okay. So we should use a very clean tissue paper. Okay. The third is cover your cough with using a tissue, or else you have handkerchief, you can use it. So if you have a cough, you have to cover with the tissue paper. Where you have to put these papers, you have to put the waste paper in a dustbin. Okay, children. Next, cover your sneeze using a tissue. Then the last picture, you should wash your hand thoroughly. Okay, children. Next, here, what is mean by all the time? All the time means what? I have the listed 3 sentences. Okay, we have to do this all the time. If we are using it, we have to do all the times. So first, clean well after using the toilet. We have to clean well. If you are with water after you using the toilet. So second is cover your mouth when you have coughing. Okay, you should cover your mouth. Third is wash your hand when they are dirty. You should wash thoroughly because the germs will enter into our mouth. Okay, we should wash our hand thoroughly. Okay, children. So can we move to the next? Once or twice daily. So these are the 3 sentences in which we have to follow 1 time or 2 times every day. Okay. First is taking a bath or showering. You should take bath regularly. Next, second is changing the underwear. That should do once or twice every day. The third is brushing your teeth once early in the morning when you wake up. Then if you later you go for the bedtime, so before you are going for bed, you have to brush your teeth. Okay children. So next is activity is the once in a while. So first is what? You have to do once in a week. These three sentences you have to do once in a week. For first one is clipping your nail. You should not chew or bite your nail. You should only clip your fingernail with the help of nail cutter. Okay children. Second is washing your hand and keeping it neat. So wash your hand, hair and keep it neat. Third is clean your ears. So how many ears do you have? Yes, 2 ears. You have to clean the ears. Okay children. Next is never. What is mean by never? You should not do this. You should not do this. Okay. Wearing dirty and smelling cloth. You should not wear a dirty and smelly clothes. Next, biting off and chewing your fingernail. You should do only clipping. You should not bite or chew your nails. Third is whipping your cold or mouth on your shirt. So if you have a cold, you have to use a handkerchief or tissue paper. Don't use your shirt. Okay. Then letting people smell your body odor. You should not allow the people to smell your body. At the last is what? Wearing stinking shoe. That is, you should not wear a bad smell shoe. Okay, you should wash and then wear the shoe. Okay children. Okay. Now staying clean. What is stay clean? You have to be every time you have to be stay clean. That is called hygiene. Okay. Can we recall the lesson and place a check mark to complete each of the hygienic tasks on the list? Okay, let's move and put a tick mark. Okay children. Now the first is hygienic task. So these are the tasks we have seen earlier. Okay, just we recall. So how many times you have to do it? So first is serial number and the heading is hygiene. So the first is the all the time, once or twice every day, or once in a week or a while. Never. Should not do never. So first is brushing your teeth. So brushing your teeth you have to do how many times? Once or twice daily. Okay. The other things you have to make a cross. Okay. You should not brush our teeth all the time or once in a week, or you should not never do it. So which is the correct answer? That is once or twice daily is the correct answer. So we place a tick mark. The other thing we made a cross. Okay, do you understand? Okay, like the same way we follow the next step. Okay, second one, cleaning well after using the toilet. So we have to do how many times? All the time. The rest of make it cross. Okay. Third is clipping your fingernail. So we have to clip a fingernail once in a week. Okay, using a nail cutter. Don't chew or bite your nail. Fourth is wearing dirty and smelly clothes. You should not wear it. Fifth is changing your underwear. Do once or twice daily. Sixth one, taking bath or shower. Same, once or twice every day. Seventh, letting people smell your body odor. You should not allow the people to smell your body odor. That is, you place a tick mark in never column. Yes. So continue. The eighth one, cleaning your ears. You have to do once in a while. The ninth one, washing your hair and keep it neat. That is same once in a while. 10th is wearing stinking shoe. You should not wear the bad smell coming from the shoe. Okay, wash your shoe and should only wear it. The 11th one, whipping your cold or mouth on your shoe. So you should not whip, okay, with your shoe. Use only handkerchief or your tissue paper. Okay, children. Next, the 12th one is covering your mouth when you have coughing. So just cover your mouth with the same kerchief or tissue paper when you have coughing. That is, you have to do all the time. Okay, children. 13th one, biting off and chewing your nail. So you have to clip your nail. You should not do this. That is, make a column as never, tick mark. And then at the last is 14th, washing your hand when they are dirty. You should do all the time. When your hand is dirty, you have to wash your hand. Okay, children. Do you understand about what is hygiene? Okay. Just recall the lesson and study in home. Okay. Stay home, be safe and be hygiene. Okay, children. Okay. Thank you.